Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a tree in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay guys, the tree will look like this and I'm going to show you how I created this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose the skin color. And then you're going to go to the dressing room and wear the style showdown dress, this one. So make sure you have won the style showdown. And for the color, we're going to color it the same with our skin tone color. Okay, this one. I'm going to apply the same color and I'm going to remove the skirt. Okay, the next one, we're going to go to the salon. And then we're going to go to the hairstyle selection. Choose this hairstyle and color it green. Okay, and then for the adjustment, you're going to scale it and go to the rotation and make the X 0. Okay, and the next one, we're going to go to the accessories. I'm going to go to this area and grab this flower. Okay, change the toggle to one arm and grab this item, the cheerleader item, and then I'm going to color it green. Okay, and then the last one, I'm going to go to this area and then we're going to wear this sleeves. Wait, this one. Okay, and then color it green. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a tree in Dress to Impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.